Good morning. Today we celebrate the feast of the Ugandan martyrs. Just in the recent history of the church, sometimes when we think about martyrs, we go back to the early church, to the catacombs, to the tyrannical emperors, to those who tore people to pieces because of their faith. But we have martyrs in every age. And as we stand today in memory of the Ugandan martyrs, we think of this message in the Acts of the Apostles. Let me read it for you. I do not shrink from telling you what is for your benefit. They profess their faith. And then, yet I consider life of no importance, if only I may finish my course and the ministry I receive from the Lord. What an example of people of that time and age and now all over the world who say, I believe, and I believe. Is that how I live? I hope so.